When you don't have all the money in the world to spend on a gun, not every gun can be on your radar. This doesn't also mean that you need to settle for just any kind of gun. Some guns boast incredible quality while not leaving a hole in your pocket. Only some budget pistols are worth a second look. They are cheap alright, but you'd rather use a knife to defend yourself than buy a gun that doesn't even hurt a fly. To save you all the stress of looking for the best budget pistols and still buying a bad gun, we've put together a list of 7 of the best budget guns out there. If you love getting these kinds of content, do subscribe to this channel to get steady and quality information on firearms. Who knows, your next pistol might be on our list. Alright then, let's check out those budget pistols. The Taurus GX4 is a micro-compact semi-automatic pistol. Its small size is very useful for concealed carry. The GX4 leads the micro-pistol class with options for 10, 11, or 13 round magazines, which provides a competitive edge in terms of firepower for its size. This pistol features a streamlined design that enhances its concealability while maintaining a comfortable grip, and the ergonomics are tailored for ease of handling. The GX4 is available in a Toro, which stands for Taurus Optic Ready option model that enables you to mount your micro red dot sights for quicker target acquisition. The GX4 is built with a durable finish that enhances its resistance to wear and corrosion, ensuring its longevity even with regular use. You can get this pistol off the shelf for a price of $300. Show me a cheaper pistol that tops its class. If you're in love with shotguns, then the Mossberg Maverick 88 Security is another option on our list you can consider. It's a reliable and affordable pump-action shotgun designed primarily for personal defense and home security. The Maverick 88 Security is chambered in 12 gauge and features a 7+1 capacity, making for a total of 8 rounds when including 1 in the chamber. This capacity is exceptional for defensive situations where multiple shots may be necessary. It also comes with a 20-inch barrel that strikes a balance between maneuverability and effective range. The barrel is designed with a cylinder bore choke that makes it suitable for a variety of loads, including buckshot and slugs. As a pump-action shotgun, it requires you to manually cycle the action after each shot, which is just simple to operate. The gun is priced around $200 to $350. At that price, you're getting a formidable gun. Glock is already famous for producing some of the best and most popular handguns on the market, and the Glock 44 is the budget option. The Glock 44 is a compact rimfire pistol that's easy to use and built for a variety of purposes, which makes it an excellent choice for both new and experienced shooters alike. The Glock 44 is chambered in 22 LR, and it provides a low recoil shooting experience ideal for training and recreational shooting. The Glock 44 features a hybrid steel polymer slide, which helps reduce weight while still maintaining durability. This innovative design contributes to the pistol's overall balance and handling characteristics. It has a 4.02-inch barrel that provides a good balance between size and performance. The compact size makes it easy to handle and conceal and is suitable for various shooting scenarios. This pistol has a price ranging between $300 to $400, and if you're looking for a budget-friendly pistol, this is a solid choice that won't disappoint. There's no telling what this pistol is capable of in the hands of a solid shooter. It's a modern semi-automatic pistol that was designed for concealed carry, home defense, and duty use. The PDP Compact boasts revolutionary ergonomics with features like super terrain slide serrations, enhancing its grip and handling during operation. All these are to provide you with a comfortable shooting experience, especially during rapid fire. It's equipped with a performance duty trigger, which is noted for its smooth pull and reset, contributing to improved accuracy and control. It's also designed to be optic ready, accommodating red dot sights, and enhances aiming capabilities for anyone who prefers optics for quicker target acquisition. This pistol is sold at around $470, which doesn't in any way match its capability. Most guns at its level sell for even $1,000. You'll need to try really hard to find a well-rounded gun such as the Taurus 856. It's a compact revolver that was designed mainly for personal defense and everyday carry. It's chambered for the 38 special cartridge and is known for its reliability and ease of use, meaning it's beginner-friendly and can handle intense shooting conditions. The Taurus 856 features a 2-inch barrel with an integral front sight, which means it's a classic sub-nose revolver. This design is typical for concealed carry firearms because it strikes a balance between size and performance. When it comes to budget handguns for concealed carry, there are only a few that can boast of this quality. As for its price, this gun sells for around $310. That's extremely cheap for a gun of this quality and features. It's certainly a solid option if you're looking for a gun for self-defense. Some great budget-friendly guns we've already put on display. So if you've been enjoying this video so far, please give us a thumbs up to let us know. And now, back to our list. If you're new to shooting or an expert who just wants a gun with basic design for beginners, then the Ruger Wrangler is an affordable option. The Ruger Wrangler is a single-action revolver that was built in the USA. It adheres to Ruger's high manufacturing standards. It features a Cerakote finish, a more cost-effective alternative to traditional bluing or brushed finishes in other models like the Single 6. This design choice contributes to its affordability while maintaining durability. It's chambered in 22 LR, ideal for training and recreational shooting. It allows you to safely load and carry 6 rounds, utilizing a transfer bar mechanism to strike the firing pin, a common feature in Ruger revolvers. A new Ruger Wrangler can be purchased for as low as $170 to $180 in the current market. Which other gun with such incredible features is sold for less? Certainly a strong budget option. There are not a lot of reliable and versatile budget guns on the market, but the Stoeger P3000 is one you can trust to deliver even in the most difficult of situations. It's known for its affordability and solid construction. The P3000 is chambered for 12 rounds to 3-inch magnums. This versatility means that you can select your ammunition based on their specific needs. It's designed to be a no-nonsense firearm and is built to withstand rigorous handling, although some users have reported cycling issues, particularly when using certain types of ammunition. For instance, there have been instances where the shotgun would eject a shell but fail to chamber the next one after pumping. But that's not a big issue considering it only costs $270. In fact, even some high-end guns can't compare to its quality and features. And that's it for the 7 best budget guns for 2024. You don't have to break the bank to get one of them, and they don't compromise on quality either. We'd like to hear what you think about these guns and guns you'd like to add or remove from the list. Lay it all on us in the comments section down below. Remember to share this video with your friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching.